Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 25th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Assessment for Inspiration and Aspiration. Swami, your thoughts?
Inspiration and demonstration. Divine truth in consciousness must dissolve the mental material concept and reveal the truth. Life is perfect. When not, you're working with human conjecture.
Looking for perfect aspiration? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam